Hello viewers, this is Justin with Mach Speed Hobbies. We've got a new one that just came out, the Arrma Gorgon. It's a two-wheel drive monster truck. We wanted to talk a little bit about it, but specifically they've included in the lineup a kit that you can build. It is a quick build kit, and we want to go over that really quick. It's the same exact build as the Ready to Runs, but I believe this is a key opportunity for new beginners that have never built anything and don't know much about the hobby to actually learn really quickly how their vehicles go together. It's going to be a huge stepping stone, kind of get you ahead of the game as far as learning how to work on your vehicle and service them on your own. Of course, we always do the service here if you need be, but this will be a huge help for you in the future if you want to do this little project here, and we'll show you just how quick it is. All right, folks, so this is the new Arrma Gorgon. The version that comes in black is actually the kit. Now, it does come with the 7-cell nickel metal hydride battery and the new smart charger that comes totally included. It's got the radio included in the box there for you, but this is packaged as a kit, so it is not assembled. It does have some pre-assembly, which I'll go over. You can look in the bags. The bags are really nicely numbered for you, so you can just follow along with the instructions, bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, etc., until you're done with the vehicle. It's very quick. It takes no time at all. We're going to go over the parts bags first, and then we'll get right into a time lapse of the build. Stay tuned. I began this project by quickly laying out all the parts in their bags in order. Make sure to do a complete inventory of everything you have. Then pick up your trusty manual here. This will teach you how to put together your quick build kit. You notice a lot of things are already done. The frame is already pre-joined for you. Even has some grease there in the rear end, so you already don't have to mess with that. You can just start assembling. A lot of the assemblies are pre-assembled. There's some pre-assembly going on, like here with your rear A-arm assembly and your center diff. Less for you to do. There's no wiring, for instance. It's all done for you. It's already pre-wired. Motor's already wired up, ready to go. Your slipper set's already pre-built and ready to install. So this should go really fast. I'm going to put it on a quick time lapse while I go through this thing, and we'll let you know how long exactly it took us to get through it. Alright, so here's the Gorgon all built. It's a really nice build. It does not feel like a cheap toy, despite its price. $170, ready to run with everything you need, battery chargers and remote control. It's heavy. It's built heavier than you'd expect. You've got double wishbone suspension in the front. Huge coilover shocks like they use on their nicer BLX models, so that's a plus. The suspension is actually using some of the same components as well. You've got heavier duty drive shafts like they use on their 3S BLX models, their brushless models, so it's built to last. Another really cool thing is this little battery tray in the bottom that's very easy to access. Battery lives right there in the bottom. You don't have to take the body off. It just snaps right back on there when you're ready to go. That's a big plus for me. A lot of guys get irritated about taking the body off, but this thing does have a really cool feature too. There's just one pin. One pin goes through both body posts on the front, one for the rear, and then you're done. So everything I'm hearing from the guys that have been buying these say that it's a fantastic handling truck. It's very tough. It's very well balanced. Even though it's a two-wheel drive, it seems to get through anything. And it is light enough and powerful enough to be extremely fast for its size. So this is going to be one heck of a beginner truck. It's not going to bore you. The thing is wonderful. So, guys, come down to Mach Speed Hobbies. We've got them here in stock for you. We'd love to hook you up. We can also help you with the ready-to-runs if you don't feel like building a kit. But we do encourage you to build a kit if you feel like you got a spare 45 or 50 minutes. You can have it done.